Good morning, dear students. I am Gurmeet Singh, your English teacher, and I hope you all are very healthy and fine. And today we are going to continue our topic narration. And today I am going to teach you about that what are the changes we need to make when a reported speech comes in the shape of exclamatory sentence. First, we write the name of the topic, narration. Exclamatory sentence. Okay, now first of all we need to understand that what is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence having exclamations or wishes. Exclamations or wishes, it comes under the category of exclamatory sentence. For example, alas, he died. Exclamation. For example, wish, may you live long. Wish. So these kind of sentences come under the category of exclamatory sentence. Okay, now what are the changes we need to make? For example, first I just write one sentence because with this may you live long. So this is what we call it reporting verb. So what we call it reported speech. Okay, now we identified it that it is a exclamatory sentence. So okay, now what are the changes we need to make? For example, first, exclamatory sentence changed into this is direct, indirect. Declarative. So now we change this exclamatory sentences to declarative sentence. This is the first change we need to make. Okay, now exclamatory sign, this sign changed into full stop. So this sign is changed into full stop. This is the second change we need to make. And third, all interjections. Interjections, what are interjections? For example, the words like this, alas, hurrah, bravo, oh. So these kind of words we call it interjections. Interjections are left out. We leave all the interjections in direct speech. So this is the another change. Okay, now the next one is reporting verb. So reporting verb, we need to use word exclaimed with, and then sorry, I write here mood of the sentence. Okay, then what is reporting verb? Reporting verb means said. On the place of said, we use word such as exclaimed with, then mood of the sentence, exclaimed with sorrow, exclaimed with joy. So these kind of words we are going to use. Okay, now I am going to give you the examples. Okay, with the help of example, we will understand. For example, may you live long. So what? He prayed. Okay, now this is what is the mood of the sentence. In this sentence, some sort of pray is offering. He prayed that you, because we don't have the object, then you may change into might live long. He prayed that you might live long. Okay, so this is the change we need to make. Okay, now another example that is having exclaimed with joy, exclaimed with sorrow. So this kind of sentence. Okay, now he said, alas, I lost the match. Now here is full stop. Okay, now what we need to use on the place of a reporting verb, we use he exclaimed with sorrow, S-A-R-R-O-W, sorrow. Oh, sorry, not A, we use O. He exclaimed with sorrow that I changed into he lost. So lost is a second form. So what? He had lost the match. So this is the changes we need to make according to the mood of the sentence. So these are the changes. Okay, bache. So this is the thing for today, and I hope you enjoy this video. Till then, goodbye, have a nice day.